Moving on, branding a nation is a complex task requiring leaders who think globally and act locally. The Outstanding Contribution to Brand India Award recognizes one such leader. Let's find out the winner and her incredible contributions to our nation.
She's a visionary leader and philanthropist. Nita Ambani has transformed millions of lives through Reliance Foundation's education and empowerment initiatives. As founder of the Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center, she bridges India's heritage with the world. The first Indian woman in the International Olympic Committee and honorary trustee at the Met. She's also redefining Indian media as chairperson of the Viacom Disney joint venture and taking Indian sports global, from cricket to the 2024 Paris Olympics. Nita Ambani is a true force of inspiration, reshaping India's identity on the world stage. CNBC TV 18 India Business Leader Awards 2024 proudly honors Nita Ambani.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mrs. Nita Ambani. Ma'am, your philanthropic leadership has been pivotal in building Brand India, touching millions of lives through Reliance Foundation. Mrs. Nita Ambani has created a legacy of meaningful change, shaping a global narrative of India as a nation of opportunities and inclusivity. She has positioned the country as one rooted in compassion and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, once again a huge round of applause for Mrs. Nita Ambani, founder and chairperson of Reliance Foundation. Ma'am, if you could kindly say a few words.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Good evening. Thank you, Piyush Bhai, Rahul, Shirin, and the esteemed jury for this incredible honor. Congratulations to CNBC TV 18 for completing 25 glorious years of setting the gold standard in business journalism and being the voice of credibility, leadership, and inspiration for a new India. I'm deeply honored to receive this award, and I accept it with utmost humility and gratitude. This recognition is not just a personal honor. It is a tribute to our country, India. India is where it all began. We are the cradle of civilization, a land of timeless values and enduring wisdom. And today, India is also where the future is being shaped, with the world's youngest population and the fastest growing economy. In many ways, this is a defining moment in India's journey. I believe our time has come. I grew up in a family where Indianness was a way of life. My maternal grandmother was a Gandhian and a freedom fighter. From a very young age, like all Indians growing up, we were taught the values of loving your country, serving its people, and protecting its ideals. And then I got married into a family that shared the same deep sense of pride in India. I've always believed that the essence of India's growth story lies in the pursuit of excellence and innovation. These ideals are embedded in our DNA, whether it is in our ancient texts, our scientific achievements, and the entrepreneurial spirit of every Indian. As a nation, we are a living proof that ordinary people can dream extraordinary dreams and work tirelessly to make them come true. Mukesh and I have been fortunate to witness and be a part of this journey. Reliance, which started as a small textile company, has grown to become one of the top global companies, fueled by a relentless commitment to innovation and a passion for excellence. My own journey has been guided by these values. As a young Bharatanatyam dancer, I dreamed of creating a space where India's artistic brilliance could shine on the global stage. That dream became the Nita Ambani Cultural Center. I'm proud to share that we have so far hosted more than 6,000 artists and over 2 million guests at NMACC. Not only from India, but around the world. In less than 2 years, NMACC has been named one of the top 7 cultural spaces in the world, a must visit by an international publication. Similarly, I began my journey as a teacher. My work in education started with a simple belief that every child in India deserves access to world-class opportunities. Today, we run 16 schools across the country, and our endeavor is to raise the global leaders for tomorrow. Just yesterday, our Dhirubhai Ambani International School was ranked 11th amongst the top IB schools in the world. Proving that our children and our teachers are nothing less than the best globally. Earlier this year, for the first time in the history of the Olympics, we hosted the first ever India House at the Paris Games in 2024. India House became a space where we honored our athletes, celebrated our stories, and showcased India's beauty, depth, diversity, culture, and the heritage to the world. A France television journalist went on to report that if country houses were a category, our India House would win the gold. I am happy to share that Devendra ji was with us at the beginning of our Olympic journey dream. And early next year, we will take another bold step by presenting India's bid to host the 2036 Summer Olympic Games in our country, Bharat. This is the India I dream of, a nation that leads the world with its boldness, brilliance, creativity, and culture. A nation that doesn't just follow, but sets the benchmarks for excellence across industries and fields. I firmly believe that this century belongs to India. More importantly, it belongs to us women. In our culture, Shakti, the divine feminine energy, embodies power, wisdom, and progress. And as Piyush Bhai said, women will not only transform India's growth story, they will redefine it with their innovation and leadership. Tonight, I dedicate this award to every woman who walks the path of action, devotion, knowledge, motherhood, leadership, compassion, and of resilience. I would also like to dedicate this award to my 3 wonderful daughters, Isha, Shloka, and Radhika. and my two precious granddaughters, Adhya Shakti and Veda. You remind me every day that the greatest legacy we can leave is a happy, safe, and a kind world, where every child, girl or boy, dares to dream without limits, achieves without barriers, and has access to equal opportunities. Let us all rededicate ourselves to building an India that chases excellence, embraces innovation, and carries its cultural heritage into a future of infinite possibilities. Together, let us create a Bharat that leads the world not just economically, but also with its heart, its heritage, and its hopefulness. Thank you once again. Jai Hind.
Can we all give a standing ovation to Nita Babi? Mukesh bhai, come up. Anand, Radhika, come up. Please.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspiring words. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for Mrs. Nita Ambani.